Namaste Internet. So today we have got Boat AirDopes 441 for you. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get quickly started with the unboxing and review of the product. Let's go. So let's see what we have on the box. On the box we have Boat AirDopes 441 branding. It has IWP technology. Then we can see that we have 500 mAh carry case which can give 4 times charge, that is up to 5 hours. Moving ahead, we see that we have one touch voice assistant. It has advanced capacitive touch controls. Then we see it has ergonomically designed secure fit. Pure Audio Bliss 6mm dynamic drivers. So in the back end we see charging norms and precautionary guidelines. So basically this is with regards to the adapter and the wire to be used. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So there it is, what we were looking for. Boat AirDopes 441. By first looks of it, it looks very premium. Let us see what else we have in the box. First we have warranty card. So this comes with 1 year warranty. Then we have a booklet. So basically it says plug into Nirvana. Alright, I guess they are partners with Sunburn as well. Next in the box we have setup manual. So basically with help of this we can set up the AirDopes. We'll have a detailed look over it later on. Let's keep it aside for now. Let's see what else do we have in the box. I guess it must be the wire, the charging cable, and yes, it comes with the charging cable and it is a C-type charging cable. Let me tell you that this thing looks very premium. By touch of it, by feel of it, by looks of it, it looks very premium. So in the front we see that we have a LED light. In the back we see charging port. So as I said, it has C-type charging cable. So in the back side they have basically put the model number, other specifications and certification details. Alright, so now let's open this carry case and see what we have inside. Alright, so as soon as we open the carry case, we see lights are already blinking. And I understand it might be telling that both the AirDopes are charging. So as I said previously also, the look and feel is actually very premium. It seems Boat has done very good R&D before launching this product, and it actually feels very good in hand. The magnet on the product is very good, so it holds the AirDopes into the carry case very well. So now it is the time to understand and see what these AirDopes are actually capable of. So let me quickly take them out of the carry case, put them into the ear and see if they can actually replace my Apple earphones. So now, since I've used these earbuds for almost 24 hours, let's get started with the review part. So basically, if we speak about the battery, gives around 5 hours of playback time. I haven't used the charging case battery fully since it has been only 24 hours, but yes, it took only 1.5 hours to charge my earbud, which is actually a very good feature. Further, Bluetooth wise, it has Bluetooth version 5.0. It connects flawlessly with my both devices, that is Android as well as iOS. It has got an IPX7 rating, so even in water as well as sweat, as I did jogging with these on, so I was very comfortable and there were no issues. One good thing is that it has got mic in both the earbuds, so I can use one earbud at a time, so that is a very good option. Also, the design is very good and touch controls are actually very good. So overall, I'll say that this is a very nice earbud to have. And yes, for those who want to know that if this can serve as a primary earbud or ear device, yes, my answer will be yes. It can work as a primary device as it can handle both your Android as well as iOS devices. So guys, this was our unboxing and review video of Boat AirDops 441. Please comment and tell us how did you like the video, and please like and subscribe the channel. Namaste Internet.